everyone. Welcome back. Today, I'm reading you another story called Learn to Read, Bird the Hero. Because Bird is a hero because of saving the baby turtle. Because all these animals really want to hurt the baby turtle. So let's read it. This is Bird. Bird is happy. Tweet, tweet. Bird is on a beach. Bird loves the beach. I like seashells. Bird hears a sound. What could it be, everyone? What is it? Scratch, scratch. It is baby turtle. She wants to go to the sea. Hello. Sea. A crab sees baby turtle. Oh no! It wants to get her. Snap, snap. Oh no! Help! Bird shakes a coconut tree till a coconut falls and stops the crab. Take that! Bang! Baby turtle is safe, but will she make it to the sea? Let's go. Chirp, chirp. A dog sees baby turtle. Oh no, now it wants to get her. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Uh-oh. Bird throws a bone and the dog runs after it. Fetch! Ruff, 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 ruff. That's a happy. Baby turtle is safe, but will she make it to the sea? Let's go. Chirp, chirp. A boar sees baby turtle. Oh no, it's actually wild. Well, a little bit, not that. Now we want to get her. Grat, grat. Oh no. Help. Bird flaps his wings on the sand. The dust sends away the boar. Go away. Flap, flap. Grat, grat. Baby turtle is safe. But will she make it to the sea? Let's go. Chirp, chirp. A fox sees baby turtle. It wants to get her now. Howoo! Howoo! Oh no. Help! Bird knows that foxes are afraid of eagles, so he makes an eagle sound and the fox runs away. Screech! Screech! Howoo! Howoo! Baby turtle is safe, but will she make it to the sea? Chirp, chirp. Let's go. Baby turtle has made it to the sea. Goodbye, baby turtle. Bye. My hero. Good job, Bird. It is time to go. Goodbye, Bird. Tweet, tweet. The end. Hope you liked this video. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you later, everyone. Bye.